Hello, everyone. I'm Megan, and I just decided to come on here very, very casually and last minute. I was going to be opening up my brand new LifeWave water machine, and I realized that setting up the camera to open a huge box is a nightmare. So I might as well do it live so it's just real. So the box is behind me. So first of all, first impressions. I've got my scissors here still and my coffee table, which goes up and down. But anyway, my first impression of the water machine, it is heavy for sure. I was picturing kind of like something the size of a coffee machine. This thing it's big. So let's see if I can get it out of the box. I got it out of the larger outer box. It was heavy. I wish my husband was here because I was, hurting the back a little bit. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys. So I apologize for how casual it is, but you know what? At the end of the day, it's an unboxing. It's not like a winter glamour ball. So let's open it up and see what we've got. First of all, I also just wanted to say that this water machine was a gift. It wasn't a gift from the company, but a couple gentlemen that I know that work with the company were kind enough to gift it to me, and I am so blessed. I hope it works as well as everybody has been saying it does. I need to try it for myself to know, but I will be letting you guys know what I think. It came in a beautiful, beautiful box. And let me just try to tilt this up so that my head is not cut out. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to use this. So it came in a beautiful box. They always have really nice packaging. It was the outer box was in really good shape as well when it got sent to me. But I am trying to see what have we got in here. I'm probably going to completely scare my dogs that are sitting around. Wow. It is big. So I'm filming this with my laptop, and I'm going to pick up my laptop so I can this is very casual, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when you get this box. So please excuse the quality of the filming, but this is live and I wanted to be able to move my camera. So as you can see, they packaged it really, really well. It kind of reminds me of a super big Keurig machine from what I see from the front. It's got the LifeWave logo. We've got the directions. You guys are going to probably laugh at me when I try to get it out, but just wanted to give you a sense of the size of it. It's really filling up that box for sure. So this will be interesting. I did go to convention, so I did learn about this machine. But convention for me was about a year ago. So it's been a while since I went to convention. So I do know it's got some amazing stories. From everybody that I've heard, the stories were so incredible. So I can't wait to see what happens for me because my inflammation levels have crept up pretty high lately. I did not do all of my good holistic modalities to take care of myself for a while, and it wasn't good. So we've got the warranty card, the user manual, the quick start guide, and it says save your packaging. So I'm assuming it says to ensure a smooth experience in the unlikely event of a return, exchange, or warranty claim, we kindly ask that you retain the original packaging, store the packaging in a safe, dry place, and keep your proof of purchase, which is actually always such a good idea because this is packaged in a very secure way. So I can imagine that if you did have to get a repair or you did have to send it back, you would definitely need to save that. We have freed the machine. Okay. And, whew. Sorry guys, this is a intense workout. Okay, so let's look at the size of this. Sorry, that was, this is why I did it live, because you can all experience this with me, right? It's not easy. So just to give you a little idea of size, it is a pretty large machine. Oh my goodness, this is exciting. It is beautiful. Wow. I cannot believe I saw it on stage at convention and I heard the stories. I heard that there's going to be a documentary. I'm just gonna get rid of this plastic bag. There's a lot of stuff happening with this machine. This is the loudest barker, so I just went to pick her up. So I don't know how it works yet because when we were at convention, I didn't actually get to try it. So I saw it on Sage. I've seen videos of it, but I have never actually fired this thing up and tried it. So most likely what I'm going to do, just like looking at the back, making sure everything looks good. Most likely what I'm going to do is tonight, my husband and I will look at it. I'm going to read the directions and figure out, looks like this is most likely a water reservoir. Obviously water is going to come out right here, but it's a pretty big unit. So counter space is going to be really interesting because there's also no way that this is going to fit in our kitchen. So we're probably going to have to put this in our living room, which is going to be interesting. We were talking about doing like a low bar cart for it or something of that nature. So anyway, this is it. She's beautiful. I can't wait to plug it in. I literally can't even see like where is the plug? Where is stuff stored? I don't know if it's maybe underneath. Oh, I see it. There's another box here too. So this probably has, I'd like to set Lola down. Let's see. This probably has the accessories and things like that. And by the way, these are not available for everybody to purchase just yet. But I will be letting you guys know when they are. I don't know how much it costs. I don't know when it will be available, but I think Lolita, that's enough. I think it will probably be, oopsies, it's pretty loud, available pretty soon. I'm guessing this is probably the cord as well. Yep. So we've got a nice little cord. Everything, she's Lola, enough. Anyway, looking forward to letting you guys know how it is. For sure, I'm going to be doing a weekly update. I'm also going to be showing it over on my Patreon, talking a little bit more over there. But I was thinking I might do a daily update about it. I don't know that I'll see changes that fast, but we'll see how quickly it happens. I probably know a little bit more than most people about it, but I don't know that much about the water machine. I just know that the stories that I've heard of people who experienced positive changes very quickly after using it were amazing. Specifics I won't get into, but I did hear a lot of really, really interesting things. So I'm really excited because I think that getting true hydration to your cells can make a huge difference. So we'll see. I know, by the way, I don't know exactly how much it is. I know it is pretty expensive, I think. So I know this isn't going to be something that everyone is going to get, that everybody's going to want. But I think there will probably be people like me that have done a lot of things and continue to do a lot of things to be their best and maybe don't feel totally that way yet, that might be interested in it. So I will let you know my honest opinion. I'll let you know if it works, if I feel changes, and I will let you know if I don't feel anything at all. So anyway, thanks so much. Sorry for the dogs barking. I'm not sure why that guy had to come back and ring the doorbell a second time. But anyway, thank you. And I hope you have a great day. Sorry for how loud it is, but I think that's just the nature of it's so funny. Our doorbell hasn't rang in 3 months, probably. Maybe not, maybe like 3 weeks. But of course, as soon as I'm doing a live stream, it just has to ring. Why not? Anyway, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Thanks for joining if you're watching, and I'm looking forward to telling you how this is. I wasn't expecting to hop on live and show it, but it's so much easier sometimes to do things with my laptop screen because I can actually see what's in frame and I don't have to waste a bunch of time trying to get my camera set up. So anyway, thanks for joining. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, everybody.